welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone is having an absolutely fantastic day, and I am so excited to share this box with you guys. As you can see from the description, it is the FabFitFun starter box. I do get FabFitFun and I have unboxed that on this channel, but I thought it would be really cool to share with you guys the starter box if you're kind of on the fence about joining FabFitFun. You can get the starter box for $19.99 and it is valued, I believe, well over $100. I know that you can also, if you know someone that has FabFitFun, usually I think they have started sending out where a member can send like 3 invitations to friends to get the starter box for free, and then just pay $5 for shipping. So you have the option to actually go onto their website and purchase it for $19.99, or if you know someone that has the subscription, you know, reach out to them and see if they have the link or the email that they could send to you so you could get it for the starter box for $5. My voice is trying to go, y'all. And that way you could, you know, get a feel for what it's like and then see if you want to join. I absolutely think it is well worth the $49.99 every season. Again, for those of you that are not familiar with FabFitFun, it is a seasonal subscription and it is every fall, winter, spring, and summer. It's $49.99 a month, or a season, I'm sorry. And my summer box and my fall box both were well over $300. So it is absolutely worth it. If you break it down, aside from season to monthly cost, it's about 15 to 20-ish, maybe somewhere between $15 and $20 a month. So, you know, it's like the same as a BoxyCharm or a Lola Beauty box, you know, so it's really not as expensive as some people think it is if you break it down that way. And like I said, you always get products well exceeding the value, or the cost. The value always well exceeds. But like I said, I wanted to share the starter box with you guys, like I said, to give you a feel of what FabFitFun is, and let you know that this option is available if you don't want to jump right into the full subscription. I will link below if you do decide to sign up. I will link the link below for you guys to get you to FabFitFun. I do have a code. It is pumpkin spice if you want to get the actual full fall box, and it will get you $10 off, so you could get that for $39.99. And it was an amazing box. I have a video, I'll make sure to link it up above. That video was, or that box, the fall box, was absolutely amazing. But let's dive into the starter box and see what it's all about. So, and like I said, I know this is supposed to value well over $100, and it's supposed to have, I think, like 4 items. So you open it, and much like the original FabFitFun, it's going to have the magazine on top that is going to tell you all kinds of information. And let's see. Smells good. There is a note. It says, "A note from us. At FabFitFun, we're all about bringing you the best of the best. That's why we're especially excited to introduce the starter box. We handpicked each item with you in mind, filling this box with our top-rated brands and products most beloved by our editors and members. It's one of our favorites, so we hope you love it as much as we do." So that's nice to have in there. And it does show on the back the products. I'm not gonna look too hard until we get this open, because then again, in true FabFitFun fashion, there is a sticker with a tissue paper. So we will open it. Oh, and I can already see some good stuff. So this is what it looks like. And the first item is the Spongelle. I like to say it that way. This is the body and wash infused buffer. I actually did, when you're a member and the new season is coming out, you have the option to add on items, and this was something I had been wanting to try. I did not get it in my summer box, so I did an add-on for my fall box, and I actually got this exact item and used it for the first time today, this morning, and I'm gonna tell you something, this is amazing. It's in the same scent as the one I got, which is Freesia Pear. Smells amazing. My skin is so soft, and it is multi-use, so you do get more than one use out of it, and this does retail for $16, so that is already more than triple what you paid for the box. Or, well, technically the box is free, you're paying for shipping, so it's already more than triple what you paid. So we're gonna move right along, and this item, this again I did not get in a summer box. I was really wanting, so I'm super happy to see it in here. This is the Ahava Dead Sea Mineral Hand Cream. It is a limited edition size, and this retails for $33. So I have heard that it smells amazing, but we're gonna take the safety seal off and find out for ourselves. And it does. It's a very light scent, and I'm so glad that it's in here because, like I said, I've really wanted to try it. I have had some other Ahava products and they are fabulous, but with fall and winter coming up, we need a hand cream, so this is awesome. Oh, it just smells so fresh, and it's a light scent, but it just smells so good. Oh, and it's not a very greasy hand cream either, which is awesome. So that is great, and like I said, it is $33. And next we have got here, oh, and I saw this, I think this was in like the spring box, and oh my god, I wanted one so bad. Oh, I'm so excited. This is the Free People Understated Leather Starry Eyed Travel Eye Mask, and it says gray or mint. Mine is clearly mint. This says, this vegan leather eye mask features a removable, non-toxic cooling insert to help keep you feeling and looking refreshed. The adjustable elastic strap offers a perfect fit every time, and a charming metallic patchwork keeps you dreaming amongst the stars. And this is $40. Okay, first of all, it is absolutely gorgeous. It is a mint green with the gold and silver metallic looking stars, so it is super cute. And it does have the adjustable strap here on the back, but inside, I'm not going to take it out right now. Inside, if you could see, there is a gel pack, so you can put this in your refrigerator or your freezer to cool it, and then, you know, obviously wear it to help with any puffiness, or just to, you know, like I said, refresh yourself. So I am so excited to have this. This is not only adorable, but serves a great purpose. So yay. And the fact that this is the vegan leather, you guys, I mean, this is just gorgeous. So super, super excited for that. And the final product, ooh, okay. This is by Summer and Rose. It is the Britney Tote, and it looks like it comes in black, navy, or cobalt blue. And mine is in navy. This retails for $54. actually got the Summer and Rose beach towel in my summer box, and I'm gonna tell you something, it was absolutely like the best beach towel ever. And this tote, you guys, first of all, we have the cute rope handles, and it's a canvas tote, and you can see it is rather large. And then we have like leather strapping here, a cute leather tassel. It does zip open, which is awesome. And the Summer and Rose here, and it's lined, and it has some pockets on the inside here. So this is a super great tote that you could use for the beach, the pool, or for whatever. I mean, it's super, super adorable, and I am so happy to have that. Like I said, their beach towel I got in my summer box, and it was amazing. And like I said, I believe I said that retails for $54. So we got the tote, the eye mask, the Ahava mineral hand cream, and the Spongelle body wash infused buffer. And the total retail value of this box, $143. That just goes to show that FabFitFun, you do absolutely 100% get well worth, or more than what you paid. What is in the boxes always exceeds tremendously what you pay, whether it be the starter box or it be the actual seasonal box. So I can't recommend enough that if you want a great way to treat yourself, find, you know, and expose yourself to new products that you probably would not normally buy or maybe even find. Like, I don't know where I would have found this, because it did say with love from Texas. So this probably is not something in North Carolina that I would be able to find. So that's something also, like I said, about FabFitFun that I love. It exposes you to new products, it brings you some of your favorites, and it's just a way to treat yourself, like I said, and get stuff that you normally may not go out and buy for yourself at a decent price. So you can't beat it. So I just wanted to share the starter box with you guys. I will make sure to link down below if you do want to sign up for the seasonal box. Like I said, the fall box was absolutely amazing, and I will make sure to link up above for you guys the video where I did my fall FabFitFun unboxing. So if you do want to get a box, like I said, that link will be below, and I will make sure to put my code down for you guys, pumpkin spice, to get you $10 off your first box. So it will be $39.99. Otherwise, I hope you guys have an absolutely fabulous day, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.